meaning we. Between is used when referring to two people, groups, or things. Among is used when referring to three or more people, groups, or things. Uses in a sentence. The agreement between the two companies was finalized yesterday. Here, between refers to two entities. She felt at ease among her friends at the party. Here, among refers to being part of a group. Quick tip. Use between for two items. Use among for three or more items.
Farther versus further, meaning farther is used to describe physical distance. Further is used for figurative or non-physical distances like progress or extent. In a sentence, he ran farther than anyone else in the race. Here, farther refers to physical distance. We need to discuss this idea further before making a decision. Here, further refers to additional discussion or extent. Quick tip, if it's about physical distance, use farther. For everything else, use further.
Meaning. Above means at a higher position than something, without necessarily touching it. Over means directly covering or spanning across something, often implying contact or movement. In a sentence, the picture hangs above the fireplace, adding charm to the room. Here, above refers to a higher position without contact. The bridge spans over the river, connecting the two towns. Here, over indicates covering or spanning. Quick tip. Use above for higher positions without contact and over for spanning or covering. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.